Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple payroll program that will ask the user the number of days work in rate per day and then compute the gross pay of an employee using C#, OOP or object-oriented approach in programming. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing my videos, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out and thank my good friend Tom who contribute on this program. Tom is a fellow software engineer that is one of our avid supporters and contributor in my channel. Thank you so much Tom for helping me out as always. So here I'm using Visual Studio Express Edition 2012. So we have here using system namespace simple payroll simple_payroll_op begin, and then we have here class program static void print header, the title of our program simple payroll program in C# using OOP or object oriented programming. So we have here static void main. It is the starting point of every C# program, So we create an object payroll, new payroll. Okay, so we print the header here using while loop. We create indefinite loop, true. It will ask the user here to give the number of days work, 0 to quit. If days equals 0, it will break or exit in our while loop statement in C#. And then it will ask for enter the pay rate. It will store in a variable pay rate, double, net pay, calling another function calc gross pay, payroll object. And then we display the net pay here, and then goodbye, another method, and console read key or press any key. So here we have the public static void say goodbye. So thank you for using this program. And then we create a class payroll, begin public double gross pay. It will ask two passing parameters, days of work and double rate per day. And then we will perform multiplication, days work multiply by rate per day, close, and then we close our program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us click the start button here. Okay, so that we can execute our program. Our program is running simple payroll program in C# using OOP or object oriented programming. Enter number of days work, let's say 30 days. Rate per day we have here 567.34. The net pay is 17,020.20. Another example, 15 days. Rate per day we have 145.62. So the net pay is 2,184.30. Last example, we have 10 days. Rate per day we have 891.56. The net pay will be 8,915.60. Enter number of days work, let's say 0. We want to terminate our program. It will break. It will display thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create simple payroll program in C# using object oriented programming or OOP approach. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please click the like button, please share, subscribe, like, and follow my channel. And then if you are new, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.